Hi, we're Taylor and Jordan from Curious Campervans in Penticton, BC, Canada, and welcome to our latest van tour.
This is Fran the van. She's a 144-inch wheelbase 2019 4x4 Sprinter van. Let's take a peek.
Did you know if you list your van with Outdoorsy, you can earn up to $50,000 a year? Check the link in the description to find out how.
This layout is super functional. We kept it really spacious in between the cabinets and the bench seat on this side and a nice deep counter on this side, so it doesn't feel too cramped when you're in the middle. One thing we love about this layout is the bench seat facing out the sliding door. Really nice if you're parked somewhere with a great view. There's storage in the bench seat as well. And we've mounted a Lagoon tabletop. It can be swiveled in multiple directions, so it can be used with just the bench seat or with the two front swivels as well. There's also another bench seat that pulls forward from the garage area if you need a little extra seating. It's no secret that swivel seats are a great space maximizer in your van conversion. We personally love the Scopema swivels. They only raise your seat by 7/8 of an inch, so super minimal, and they function really smooth and quiet. Window coverings are one of those things you can DIY yourself. But once you've made a pair, you realize why all the professional ones out there are so pricey. Scribing around the awkward window shapes, sewing the corners, and trying to make the magnets look hidden in the fabric is not as easy as it seems. We've ordered these from Wonderful and are super impressed with the quality. Building your kitchen galley out into the sliding doorway has become a popular layout choice in van conversions, and it is a great way to maximize space in shorter wheelbases. We did a nice big countertop here made of bamboo, so super sturdy and lightweight. Obviously sink with running water. The gray tank is just underneath the sink and it has a drain to the ground. We mounted the fridge facing forwards in this van so that you can access it from inside and outside the van. We love these Novacool fridges. They come in a variety of sizes, can be purchased as 12 volt or AC and DC compatible, and are extremely energy efficient, plus super stylish with the black fronts that are totally smudge proof. We also put outlets on both sides of the kitchen cabinet so you can plug in from inside or outside as well. The tall cabinet on this side has plenty of storage for clothing or pantry items. We also put the battery monitor and the inverter monitor inside this cabinet. And then also room in these drawers for the cooktop, more clothing and pantry items, and then the porta potty in the bottom drawer as well. Depending on your height, you may be able to get away with sleeping sideways in the newer Sprinters without using flares. That was the case for this van, and so we installed a couple reading lights on the head side of the bed and an upper cabinet for storage over the feet end. We also incorporated a little divider wall here to make a little bit more privacy between the bed area and the kitchen.
In this van, we installed a Labasto diesel heater. Whenever possible, we highly recommend using a diesel heater as it eliminates the need to carry an extra fuel source like propane in your van. Let's head around back and check out the garage. Moving to the back of the van, we used 80/20 aluminum to construct the cabinetry for the electrical and plumbing components. They're built with these double slider doors, so you can slide one door over and have easy access to turn a switch or change the fuse if needed. And the doors pop out completely if you want to do more complex maintenance to the system. In this van, we installed 300 watts of solar on the roof to power up 300 amp hours of lithium batteries. We also installed a 2000 watt inverter charger, so you can charge the batteries on shore power as well. And finally, there is a 30 amp DC to DC charger, so the batteries are powered while you're driving. Lithium batteries have been historically expensive to get in Canada once shipping and duties are factored in. We recently started working with SOK Battery out of China, who make high quality and affordable lithium batteries that are suitable for Canada's harsh climate. They have a low temperature disconnect and also come with a 7-year warranty, which is rare in a budget level lithium battery. We recently started using these Labasto ISO Temp hot water heaters. They actually heat your water to up to 190 degrees Fahrenheit, which is much hotter than you would actually want coming out of the faucet. And they incorporate a mixing valve with cold water, so it increases the amount of usable hot water you have in your system. We put an outdoor shower in most of our conversions to save space inside rather than putting a full wet bath in. And we've also engineered some custom water tanks that fit around the wheel wells of Sprinters, Transits, and ProMasters. This is typically an awkward to build around space, so it allows a little bit more room inside the vehicle. And we have a discount code in the description if you'd like to check these out.
These bug screens by Roll-F have become a staple in our conversions. They're custom made for your van, for the layout that you've got, and they're done by a Canadian company, which we also love to support as well. They've got a magnet here, so it's super easy to go in and out when the screen is unrolled, and then they also completely roll up and tuck away when you don't need it. Thanks for watching. That's Fran the van. You can also visit our website for more photos of this build as well as some other conversion work that we've done. See you guys.
See ya!
I hope you enjoyed that video. If you hadn't noticed, we do sell an ebook for how to convert a van. It has over 190 pages of detailed instructions and diagrams, also 25 video tutorials which are specifically for the ebook buyer. Creating a van for many people is obviously a really intimidating project, but I really believe, and I've seen it time and time and time again, that with the right information, anyone can turn out with a pretty decent van conversion. So check the link in the description, subscribe to the channel if you are not already, and drop us a comment if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week.